Good morning, you are most welcome in Dr. Sourav classes. In this video series, uh, we are discussing the some questions of the chemistry for the preparation of the entrance examination of BSc in chemistry in JU University of the West Bengal, and the continue the question paper and solution of the questions for this admission test. And question start, if radius of a spherical molecule of a real gas Br, and the van der Waals constant B is B, then derive the relation between R and B, and given value, that is the Na is equal to Avogadro number. This question from the physical chemistry. And in this question, they are asking about the derivation of a relation in between the two factors. Number one is the real gas, and second is the van der Waals constant B. Okay. So what is the concept of this question? The concept is that the van der Waals constant B represented the excluded volume or co-volume, right, per mole of a gas, per mole of a gas. And second is it is not just the actual volume of the molecule, but the volume from which the center of other molecules are excluded due to the mutual intermolecular repulsions, because of there are the two gaseous molecules present, and radius of each molecule is r, and a distance in between both molecules. In this condition, the spherical molecule of a real gas Br, the radius of it is the radius of the spherical molecules of gases, and van der Waals constant B. Now start the derivation like that. Start the derivation step by step. The number one is the let the radius of let the radius of single spherical spherical gas molecule is Br. Okay, like that. And step number two is the actual volume of the actual volume actual volume of one single one single molecule is V. Okay. Now generate a relation like that, because of the molecule is spherical, and for the spherical molecule we can write here volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is the volume of spherical molecule. Okay. Now further calculation like that, that means that means calculate the when two identical spherical molecules here according to our question. Okay. And approach each other the closely, and center cannot come closer, center come not closer, and the distance equal to the and distance this distance equal to the r plus r, that means the summation of the radius, and result of this radius is the 2r. Okay. Therefore, the sphere of exclusion for a pair of molecule has a radius of 2r. The excluded volume for a pair of molecule is, now calculation of the excluded volume for for 1 mole of gas containing for 1 mole of gas containing 1 mole of gas containing Na means Avogadro number molecules. 1 mole of gas containing Avogadro number, that means the is equal to the 1 mole is equal to 6.1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Right. Now the total excluded volume. Now, total excluded volume, total excluded volume is the Wonder Walls, Wonder Walls constant K. Wonder Walls constant K. So we can write here. So we can write here. We can write here Na into 4 volume 4V. The 4 Na 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So now answer will be we are calculating the value of B is equal to 16 by 3 pi Na r cube. 4 4 is 16 and divided by 3 Na r cube, or also we can write like that B is equal to 4 Na u. It is the relation in between the van der Waals and van der Waals volume and radius. It is the value of the B. You can calculate the questions like that. Thank you.